OpenSats is an example of, well, it's more into the Bitcoin related projects, but they've been also supporting Doste developers. So I think that's a really great way that have some kind of a stipends. Also Poundies. I'm not sure how effective they are if you want to be a full-time developer that rely just purely on Poundies. But if you have a project that you're the main developer, having something like that is obviously something which can help. But whether it's sustainable is then another matter. Just last week I was thinking that we really need early support on those full-time developers who are just having the project in the early stages, and they are significant for a lot of people, but they are not the most sexiest because they are maybe backing up the decentralized world, supporting free speech, and the business models are not exactly maybe aligned with the advertising models, and they don't want to build it in that centralized manner. So they are not so easy to attract funding, but these projects in the early stages don't have the user base either. So if they are like a wealthy donors who actually just want to support some of these causes, they could pick up these projects and give yearly or stipends or something along those lines, and you can see whether they are actually catching up over what they're doing. If it's a completely open source project, so the GitHub is your friend in that case as well. There's already existing grants and NGOs who haven't just committed the money to this cause. So there's a lot of money for thinking and tanking and lobbying, but there's very little for the projects and building those tools. And that's just a distribution issue. And also doing it less bureaucracy and less paper shuffling, I think is important here. Because if you kill the projects with reporting and you expect to get the results before the project has started, or nobody knows where the project really is going. So it's more about trusting the individuals and letting them to do their thing, and trusting the judgment of the recruitment process, if you will, for the grant. And then if something comes out of it, that's the bonus. But I think the trust in the recruitment of the right developers, coders, I think is the key here. Then there are also the aspects which make the open source project not so good in user adoption, because the UX, the documentation, and the supporting functions are not in place in a level that usually commercial projects are. So if there would be designers, marketeers, all these other functions which are key and essential for a successful product, but tend to be overlooked, or they're not getting the support, and it's harder for these people to get a financial support for their commitments. I think these are key if you really want to have a open source alternatives for the current existing commercial products. Less traveled path, for example, is to support the people who are documenting and translating GitHub projects to different languages and making the documentation better for all the users. So how about supporting them as well in their work? Because if you can translate some software to 30, 50, 100 different languages, that's a powerful way of having an impact as well.